shit show, yes sir. So I had our cooking set up kind of like this. Worked pretty well. This right here, hands down, some of the best chicken noodle soup. This is our camp spot. Got a whole bunch of dishes to clean up too. You alive over here? No. No? He's getting closer to us. He's sneaking up on us. He's gonna get us.
You wanna?
Show you guys what I'm working with this morning. I got that motherfucking blue Hawaiian. Got that motherfucking pickling up pouch Big Papa. We're gonna be doing it right this morning. To go set up my pole. Yesterday we didn't catch shit except one fish. Pretty active considering it's early morning, which is one of the best times to go fishing. So we're gonna get to it and see if we can get anything